to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Good morning, Bennett Ranch Bulls. This is Mr. Wells with the morning announcements. Today is August 5th, 2021. Thought of the day. What would life be if we had no courage to attempt anything? Vincent van Gogh. Today is National Work Like a Dog Day, which encourages us to charge forth and meet every challenge we face. Lunch today is teriyaki beef with rice, garden bar, fruit, and milk. Weather today is mostly sunny with a high of 85 degrees. We are halfway through the week. Keep up the good work, and remember, Bulls lead the way.